Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Afika binti Muhammad Asri. Today, I will present planning and scheduling using Microsoft Project. Okay, the context in this slide is introduction, which is presented by me, Nurul Afika, and construction activity table represented by Nur Suhaida. Plans detail and discussion represented by Nur Ain Aslina, and conclusion and recommendation represented by Siti Hamiza. Okay, this project is about double-story bungalow project. The main purpose of this project is to construct double-story bungalow to give soothing environment at rural area. The type of this project is private construction project, which is located at Dungun, Terengganu. The project will start on 1st April 2020 and target completion date for this project is 31st December 2020. This project this project costs around 400,000. Okay, the client for this double story project belong to Sir Muhammad Saufi bin Amran. Sir Muhammad Saufi bin Amran want to build this double story bungalow to provide comfort for his small family. This double story bungalow will build on the lot that has been purchased in the town area at Dungun, Terengganu. The contractor that has been chosen to complete this project, which is Teguh Bina Enterprise. Teguh Bina Enterprise is a responsible company because it's able to complete the project within the time. Teguh Bina Enterprise has been chosen because it has no pending project, so they can focus on this double-story bungalow. The consultant on this project is Ong Management Consultant. Ong Management Consultant is a professional that provides expert opinions, analysis and recommendation for clients. Ong Management Consultant essentially fixer, survey and objective troubleshooter and providing strategies to prevent problems and improve performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Suhaidah binti Yusof. I will continue this presentation with the construction activity table. Our Dungun double-story bungalow has 10 main phases to complete its construction within 1 April 2020 to 31 December 2020. Every activity must be arranged perfectly in MS Project in order to get a perfect schedule for this project. The first phase is general preliminaries. In this phase, contractual requirement, contract administration, material and sample, together with health, safety, security and environment will be done in this phase. The second phase is land acquisition. In general, land acquisition is a process to ensure the ownership and pay for the compensation if needed. Next is site clearing and earthwork. In this phase, the site was cleared from stump or roads. Excavation and leveling work also need to be done in this phase. The next phase is piling work, which load tests are applied first before the piling work can be done. This piling work followed by the most important phase, which is building work. In this phase, building work had divided into 5 different work, which are superstructure, substructure, superstructure, architectural work, mechanical work, and electrical work. So the next phase is infrastructure. Infrastructure for the bungalow include road and drainage together with TMB and water meter supply. After infrastructure is completed, a few final phase will be followed. Start with testing and commissioning, final clearing, pre-handing over and handing over. Next, this is Gantt chart for Dungun double-story bungalow. This Gantt chart help this double-story bungalow be on track from time to time. In general, Gantt charts are useful for planning and scheduling projects. They help You assess how long a project should take, determine the resources needed, and plan the order in which you will complete tasks. They are also helpful for managing dependencies. So this is our Gantt chart. Start from general preliminaries into the end of the project, which is handing over and finish. Thank you. This is plan details for Sir Muhammad Sawafi Bungalow. This is a front view for the house. This is right view and left view for the double-story bungalow. This is beam section and column section for every beam and column in this double-story bungalow. Because this is double-story bungalow, so we have two different levels, which is the ground floor and the first floor. This is roof plan for the double-story bungalow. This is foundation arrangement for the foundation in the house.
Wabarakatuh. My name is Norain Asina. So today I'm going to present about S-curve of our project, which is the double-story bungalow in Terengganu. That takes about 9 months. First is S-curve physical. So S-curve is before that, S-curve is a project management tools that shows a quick visual of the progress over time, which is for S-curve physical, like you see here, the progress of the project is a cumulative percent complete, while the time is the durations. So the durations we take is in week by week, and as you can see here, these orange lines, S-curve line is a planning of the project, is a planning cumulative percent complete of the project from the beginning until the end of the project. So for the blue bar charts here, it shows the weekly progress of the cumulative percent complete. As you can see here, for week 1 it is 4%, for week 2 3%, for week 3 2%, until the week 40, which is 9 months. So there is S-curve physical. S-curve physical is about the progress of the construction project throughout the 9 months from 1st April 2020 to 31st December 2020. So as I say before, the blue bar chart shows the project progress for every week bi-weekly, while the orange line shows the project plan progress of the cumulative percent complete, which is the beginning until the end of the project. So the planning from the S-curve can be a good indicator to ensure that the project can be done within the times or not. So next is the S-curve financial. As we can see, financial. So financial is of course about the cost of the project. So the progress we can see here is the cumulative cost complete over the duration of time. It is the same as the S-curve physical, which is the durations is in week. So the orange line, S-curve orange line, shows the plan of the cumulative cost complete throughout the whole project since the first week until the 40 week. The blue bar chart shows the weekly progress of the cumulative cost complete, which is week 1. What is the cost have been used? Week 2, week 3 until the week 40. You can see here how much for 1 week cumulative cost complete being used. So S-curve financial is about the cash flow for the entire project from the first actually this is April not January, so 1st April 2020 until the 31st December 2020. The blue bar chart indicates project cost for every week, and the orange line shows the planned cost for the whole project. Like I said before, it is important to track the project cash flow to avoid wastage. This is because if we do not keep it on track, we might use a lot of budget. We might exceed the budget that have been referred to. Besides, it is easy to ensure that the project within the budget. Like I said before, if we follow the budget, so there will not be wastage. We can reduce and avoid wastage. We didn't have any problem at the end of the project. So, S-curve financial helps to quantify the performance of a project, as it compares cost and schedule to a baseline to determine if the project is on track. So, every project have its baseline, so we can compare the cost and schedule to the baseline in order to keep the project on track. So we will not have any problem at the end of the project regarding to the cost, and also for the physical is about the completion. So we also do not have any problem to complete the project on time. That's all for me. Thank you. My friend will continue with the other point.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Hamiza binti Ahmad. I will present the last part, conclusion and recommendation. In our project, we use Microsoft Project. By using Microsoft Project, we can planning and scheduling the project to ensure the project runs smoothly. Also, the planning that has been done will based on the duration and budget that has been set by client that we work together. Within this planner, we can avoid any problems such as project delay without any acceptable reason. We also can avoid financial wasting because the budget that has been set in planner according to the latest economy. So that's all from us. Thank you.